Hello guys, so in this video we will be doing about the next topic from this chapter, that is incomplete dominance. Till now we have talked about monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross that Mendel performed in order to prove that some factor is being transmitted from one generation to the next generation. Later on the same factor was called as gene, okay, but that time the name gene was not given, so he called it as a factor. So now our next topic will be incomplete dominance. We talked about dominance and recessiveness, okay, from the pair of allele, yes, pair of allele in a gene. So now in this topic, okay, today we will be doing about incomplete dominance. So the term itself defines what is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance, that means there is no complete dominance of a factor. If suppose one gene has a pair of alleles, okay, pair of alleles, then out of these two, that means out of this pair, I have already told you that one will be dominant and one will be recessive, but there are certain exception, okay, exceptional cases are also there in which neither of these two allele, okay, neither of this pair can completely dominate the other one. As a result, the progeny will be the mixture of both the allele, okay, mixture of both the allele, both the character will come to the progeny. So that this is all about incomplete dominance. Okay, this kind of phenomenon we can see in a plant called snapdragon, okay, this plant, okay, this incomplete dominance is seen in the plant snapdragon. In a cross between the true breeding red flower. So this snapdragon can have, you know, different type of flower. One is red flower, different species of snapdragon, okay, red flower that bears red flower, and one that bears white flower. Okay, suppose this is given by the pair of allele or denoted by, let's say, RR, okay, then white, suppose small r. So these two are the snapdragon plant, okay, one plant bears red flower of the snapdragon, another plant bear white flower of this snapdragon species, okay. Now when these two are mixed together or when these two are allowed to hybridize, then what will be the progeny? Okay, what will be the progeny? So the progeny will be, because this is incomplete dominance, okay, so the progeny will be, actually it should be red flower, okay, it should be red flower, because here are, this is denoted by the dominant one and this is denoted by recessive one, okay. So basically if we see, then it must have red flower, but in this snapdragon species this phenomenon occurs in complete dominance, in which neither of the factor can dominate the other one. So during gamete formation this will segregate, okay, this will segregate. Now the combination of these two will be RR in, suppose this is progeny, okay, progeny plant. So RR, this is also RR, this is also capital R, small r, and the combination will also give. So all this progeny, okay, all the combination have heterozygous, okay, heterozygous allele, capital R and small r. So if we look into this, okay, we can actually, if you look into this, and when we compare this with the monohybrid cross that Mendel did, then we would have said that all this flower will have red color, but it is not so. This flower will have neither of these two parental color, but it will turn to be pink. It will turn to be pink, neither red nor white, all will be pink in color. Okay. So, why this pink appear is because neither of the two allele, okay, neither of the two allele, they are dominant over the other one. Okay. So, these they show incomplete dominance, they cannot completely dominate the other factor or the other pair. Okay. So, as a result, this heterozygous combination gives the intermixing between the parental color. So, if one parent is red in color, red flower, if other parent bears white flower, then the progeny will have pink flower, that is the mixture between both white and red. Okay. So, this is all about incomplete dominance. So, this is red flower, okay, snapdragon red flower. It is self pollinating, that is true breeding flower, they never mix. Okay. But if this hybridization is done manually or with the help of human being, then this experiment leads to the color that is pink, okay, in the progeny in the next generation. But actually these flower are true breeding flower, that means self pollinating flower. All right. So, this is all about incomplete dominance.